It's a blizzard out here. And I'm looking around, man, I've seen my little shoe prints. I walked out here not too long ago and there were also some footprints, but now all of them are gone pretty much. The blizzard has gotten worse, and whoa, I'm slipping in the ice, or well, snow. Okay, making sure I'm as low as I can possibly get into the ground now, because slipping on them stairs is no joke, especially in this type of weather. It's a blizzard out here. Whew. Hit me in the face, why don't you? Whew. I'm gonna leave my hand out here and try and catch some snowflakes. Odd. Why can I never seem to catch snowflakes in the freaking air? And whoa, that was a huge snowflake. Where are those? Some snowflakes are way bigger than others. Gonna go in, my phone's getting all wet from the snowflakes. Have a good day, guys.